a freshman in high school, and this is such a great opportunity for him to get to learn about the various industries. It's great to be able to see the beautiful campus and meet all the companies in our community.
Yeah, it's a remarkable turnout too. It's like, I didn't know what to expect, but there's like 2 full floors of action. This is awesome.
We are here from Jessup Manufacturing Company here in McHenry. We love to see the students. We love the fact that students are interested in jobs, right out of school. Seem to really enjoy the fact that, hey, this stuff is made in McHenry. The families are from McHenry. We put food on, 65 employees' tables every single day, and we're really proud of that.
This is Chef Joyce. I'm Chef Tina. We've got a student-run bakery and a student-run restaurant. We are one of the few places in the state that has a student-run bakery. And these are some of the Instagram photos of the things that we're making right now.
From a molded plastic standpoint, this is an extremely important event. It gives us the opportunity to come out into the community, get kids involved and activated in our programs that support manufacturing as well as engineering and every facet of the business.
We get interns from this every year. They're all standing back here. Many of them have been working at McHenry and coming out of McHenry for the last 5 or 6 years that we've been doing MTI, and it's one of the best events we've ever seen.